Ever pondered why some prices fluctuate more than others? Or why the demand for certain goods is more responsive to price changes? The key to these questions lies in a fundamental concept in economics known as elasticity. So, what exactly is elasticity? Picture it as a measure of sensitivity. It quantifies how a change in one variable, like price, impacts another variable, such as demand or supply. It's like a gauge that tells us how much consumers and producers will react when the market conditions change. Now, imagine you're at the grocery store and the price of apples suddenly doubles. If you still buy the same amount of apples, then your demand is perfectly price inelastic. But if you decide to switch to oranges instead, your demand is price elastic. There are two main types of elasticity we should focus on: price elasticity of demand and price elasticity of supply. Price elasticity of demand, often abbreviated as PED, measures how much the quantity demanded of a good responds to a change in its price, ceteris paribus. If the price of a good increases by 1% and the quantity demanded decreases by 1%, the PED is said to be 1. This is known as unit price elastic. If the quantity demanded changes more than the price, the PED is greater than 1, and we call this price elastic demand. But if the quantity demanded changes less than the price, the PED is less than 1, and we refer to this as price inelastic demand. On the other hand, price elasticity of supply, or PES, is about how much the quantity supplied of a good responds to a change in its price, ceteris paribus. If suppliers increase their output by 5% when the price increases by 5%, the PES is 1, meaning it's unit elastic. If the quantity supplied changes more than the price, the PES is greater than 1, making it price elastic. But if the quantity supplied changes less than the price, the PES is less than 1, and this is price inelastic. In a nutshell, elasticity helps us understand how much the quantity demanded or supplied will change when there's a price change. It's a crucial concept for businesses when setting prices and for governments when setting taxes. Remember these key points. Elasticity measures the responsiveness of demand or supply to price changes. Price elasticity of demand and price elasticity of supply are the two main types of elasticity. Elasticity is more than 1 when demand or supply is responsive to price changes, and it's less than 1 when they're not responsive. Economics is a fascinating field, and elasticity is one of its most compelling concepts. It helps us comprehend market dynamics and predict consumer and producer behavior. So the next time you see the price of your favorite product change, consider its elasticity. You might be surprised at the insights you gain.